Welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to use Gemini AI on desktop for beginners. Gemini AI is an innovative platform powered by artificial intelligence. It offers advanced features and personalized recommendations to enhance your browsing experience. To get started using Gemini AI on your desktop, you will need to follow some simple steps. So let's go ahead and get started one by one. Step 1. Access Gemini AI. Open up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in gemini.google.com and you will end up in the official site for Gemini. In order to log in or access Gemini AI, you will need to log in to your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, go to the top right corner and click on Sign In. In the Sign In area, click on Create Account and follow through the instructions to create a Google account for yourself. If you already have a Google account, it is easier to access Gemini AI. Simply enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Google account in the Sign In area. After entering your credential, click Next and then enter your account's password on the next page. If you don't remember your Google account's password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions. After entering your password, click on Next. Soon after you log in or sign up for a Google account, you will end up in this main homepage. Step 2. Navigating Gemini AI. Once you are logged in or signed up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features offered by Gemini AI. These may include personalized content, recommendation, AI-powered insights, and advanced search functionalities. Step 3. Initiate a search. Once you're inside the main homepage, you will be able to see the search bar or a designated search function at the bottom of the screen. Enter your query or your topic of interest in the text box. Once you type in the query, click on the Submit button. Gemini AI will use its AI algorithms to generate relevant results tailored to your preference. You can also make Gemini AI read out loud to the statements or the answer it has given. Click on the speaker button at the top right in order to listen to the content generated by Gemini AI.
The drive from Atlanta to Orlando is 439 miles.
Gemini AI learns from your interaction and preferences over time to deliver increasingly accurate and personalized recommendations. You can now simply go to the bottom of the screen and click the three dots in order to copy the answer that you received from Gemini. You can give your Gemini a good or bad response for the query that it provided. Go ahead and give it a rating so that it provides further accurate results from your interaction and preferences. If you're not happy with the result, you can also customize your question further by clicking on Edit Text in the prompt or the question that you've provided. Now you can go ahead and further edit your query and update your information to help Gemini AI find the correct answer for you. Regularly keep on checking Gemini AI for the latest content recommendations, insights, updates, and more. By following these simple steps, beginners can easily start using Gemini AI on their desktop to access personalized content, valuable insight, and AI-driven recommendations. So that's how you can easily start using Gemini AI as a beginner on your desktop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.